How to hide WhatsApp number in 2024. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually hide your WhatsApp number in 2024. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically hide your number if WhatsApp in 2024, it's actually quite very simple. Now normally there are many reasons as to why you might want to hide a WhatsApp number. So let's say someone adds you to a particular group. You don't want everyone inside that group to know your phone number and let it be public. That is why you might not want to use WhatsApp in the first place. Now unlike Telegram definitely has the option to hide the numbers inside groups or maybe to private people, so that anyone on and off Telegram will not be able to find your phone number and publicize it. But WhatsApp unfortunately so far don't have that feature. If I go to the three dots option here, and then if I go to settings here, if I go to privacy, you can see there is no such option for me to hide my phone number. The only thing I can do is I can avoid joining the groups and just leaving those groups that are public and that I don't recognize. Other than that, unfortunately there is no other way. Hopefully if in the future WhatsApp might come up with an update that would allow us to do this, I will also make sure to update you about it. Until then, thank you so much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.